Welcome to TechnoEdge Summit 2026, organized by Tooling Tales in Pune.
Side is the machine. Let it be CNC, VMC, HMC, any. But we need lot of good tools, coolant, collet holders, and definitely a software CAD, CAM and everything. All these four stakeholders were here. Is a very nice initiative taken because if I want to achieve a productivity and a precision, I need a combination of all these four areas, four pillars.
Most important, I was representing Cimatron today and elaborated on how Cimatron can play a role in offering end-to-end solutions all the way from designing to manufacturing in both mold and tool and die industry.
Was a very first session for the TechnoEdge 2026. It's a Precision Productivity Summit. As one of organizer for this summit, Ometa India, we are really overwhelmed with the response from the industry specialists and the customer response. We will continue this summit sessions across the India and the various cities.
India is the growing market and the demand for the precision industry is growing day by day. This is the main theme we wanted to put our four partners into this event and show the customers what we can bring the solution into the industry. Whatever product we have displayed also today, it starts from 20 microns to 40 mm. CTC, as you know, is the pioneer in the precision industry. We supply to all segments, aerospace, defense, medical, graphite solution we have, jewelry segments. So there are different types of coatings what we are giving, 2 microns, 3 microns coatings, and it all is to increase into our presence into the precision industry.
We are at TechnoEdge 2026 Precision Productivity Summit. We were having very huge gathering of techno-savvy customer, and today we presented our REGO-FIX exclusive power grip machine to all the customers, and people were happy to listen. People were appreciating the technology what we are offering to the industry.
Every manufacturers around the world is looking at India. We wanted to make a forum where these technology players can come together, discuss about their latest technologies, what all machining technologies are there in this world. That's how the whole concept of TechnoEdge came in play. And we have four partners: REGO-FIX, Ometa, Cimatron, and CTC Precision, discussing about their latest technologies. Together with them, they are covering the certain part of machining activities which plays a huge role.